Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on resetting the network settings on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Resetting the network settings will erase any network data you have, such as Wi-Fi passwords and Bluetooth connections. Follow the steps to learn how to reset the network settings on iPhone. Open the settings and tap General. Scroll down the General settings and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Now choose Reset Network Settings from the options. You will have to enter your phone's passcode to continue. Tap Reset Network Settings. Your phone will then restart and reset the network settings. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iOS tips and tricks.